Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna do a different format rather than the usual gameplay. So I just wanted to bring you these latest news from last week. So Google Gemini 2.5 Pro was just released by Google, as you can see in the official blog. So essentially what this model does is pretty much outranks all of its competitors in the fields of mathematics, science, and reasoning and knowledge. And also, it has now advanced coding, which brings to the uh, reason I'm doing this video, right? So, one of the things that really impressed me out is that 2.5 Pro can now pretty much create a game in HTML or other platforms very instantaneously. So what I just wanted to show you is how to set this up. And I'll show a little bit on the script that I extracted from the internet from other users to create a basic Lego game in which you can get a piece and move around and rotate and stack them up and pick the colors. So and you name it, right? You can actually tweaks with new prompts to change the game controls and do this thing and that. So it goes to your imagination's limit. So basically, how do you set this up? Let me show you real quick. You get in here this aistudio.google.com. That's the Google AI Studio official webpage. And let me try and see if I can show you right here. Over here in the settings, you're gonna pick the Gemini 2.5 Pro, which was just released right now for this on March 25th. Here's the token count on how many tokens you can use per day on my experience. So that's actually a million token, which is quite a lot from what I've been using. Temperature, you're gonna set it to 1. This is like the creativity allowed in the responses. And all these tools, you're gonna set it to off. And safety settings, also make sure they're all off. Okay. So right now, I'm gonna show you that in ChatGPT, I got this prompt out of the internet, which is to create an interactive Lego building simulation using 3.js, which stands for JavaScript, and actually it asks it to contain a single HTML file in which you can open up in any modern browser such as Chrome, Safari, Firefox, you name it, right? So essentially there's actually some guides here for the machine to work on, such as create realistic looking Lego bricks. They have to have proper collision, like they cannot occupy the same space at once. They have to create satisfying visual and audio feedback when bricks connect, which is cool. And so like brick properties, it actually asks you to ask the the AI to create various bricks such as 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, and so forth. The classic 2 by 4, which is the Lego symbol, and have multiple colors here. Also, make sure to what is what else is here? Snapping mechanism, so you can actually go ahead and connect one piece to another. And okay, so let me try and go ahead and copy this guy down, like over here, and I'm gonna copy it out and go to the AI Studio and paste this prompt over here, and I'm gonna ask them to run, which is Control Enter. So bear with me for a minute, maybe two. So like average of 2 minutes, they're gonna be creating complete HTML code so I can open up in the browser and show you the real game. So we can see over here the machine is thinking. We're actually 20 seconds through, and now after they think a little bit, they're gonna be compiling real time the HTML code so you can actually see the lines forming, which is kind of cool. Actually, let me see. yeah, it's still thinking, and now it's gonna be writing down all of the code as you can see over here. This is something crazy. Actually, it generates pretty fast all of these, dozens of lines of codes per second, and like in less than 2 minutes, on my experience, it actually gets you the complete code of this game, which is impressive. Okay, so we're done. You have here the options to pretty much go ahead and download this guy, which I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to put it as lego.html and I'm going to save it. All right, so this is the game. As you can see, you have here like a big green standard field with like a lot of grids. And you can see here the piece that I'm about to position, which is right now the 2.4 red one, the very standard one, right? So how cool is that, huh? You can place it like one next to another. Okay, I can do another one here, can do another one here, another one here. I can go ahead and page up so I can, like start stacking them. Of course, there's like it's more a small error here. The pieces doesn't fit, but nothing that like a script can overwrite this. So you can go ahead and go up. You can select a piece that's already here and rotate with the R button. I can go ahead and pick another different piece. Like let's try like a 1 by 1 yellow one over here and start stacking up. So like I have like a basic, very rustic Minecraft game or something like that, if you will. That it's pretty cool. Like how cool can this get, right? I mean, you can play this like all day and think about different games that you can create with just a simple script. We are actually in a scary revolutionary time with AI. It's like they're getting so good right now that you can even you can barely keep up with all the news every day. So as you can see over here, there's like a complete 3D working environment of a Lego with just a very simple script that was prompted. And impressively enough, they actually, you know, got us this game that, with zero coding skills required. Imagine the amount of applications that you can do, 3D models for, like architecture and other fields, right? So pretty neat, huh? Let me know what you guys think about this. If you guys have any questions, I'm happy to help. If you guys have any idea, if you guys like this sort of AI content that I'm bringing you up, let me know in the comments. Please make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.